Congratulations, Miss Darlene Perez. Wow, ayan na yung ating pinapractice. Requesting DFP, please call 101. Ayan. Dream come true? Ko? I know. Siyempre, di man sabihin yan, but of course, lahat naman tayo are aiming for someday mas magandang opportunity, and now you have it na. So, you deserve that, and we are happy and proud of you. And sabi ko nga, diba, nung kinakwento yan sa akin ni ma'am, I can see in her face how happy she is and proud siya sa iyo. And of course, ako bilang nakasama mo sa Bikutan, masaya ako at proud din ako sa iyo. And syempre, sa lahat ng mga naituro mo, na-share mo, yan, definitely, I will surely miss you. And yun lang, malulungkot ako, wala na akong matatawagan or I-M or matitext kapag kailangan ko ng tulong. Pero I doubt, kasi I know naman you are very accommodating and very willing to help a person like me na nangangailangan ng matinding tulong at pagtuturo. Thank you for the patience, thank you for the trust, thank you for the time, and thank you for sharing things with me. And alam ko naman na napatunayan mo that somehow I can keep secret. And I wish you all the best. And wag ka makakalimot. And thank you for the daily inspiring messages coming from the Bible that you are sharing with me. So I wish you all the best, and God bless. And always include God sa iyong life. And for sure, you did. Kasi as we delight ourselves in the Lord, He will give the desires of our heart. So, yan, isa na sa mga desires mo ang nagagrant ni God unti-unti. So, more pa to come. So, thank and praise God for everything.